Introducing the 2024 Peugeot 508 SAW GT Pack 1 5 HDI 130 AUT. This sleek estate yacht Jeep is packed with luxurious comfort and safety features that will elevate your driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. The grey exterior and 1.5 litre diesel engine make for a stylish and efficient ride. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can feel confident on the road. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust this vehicle is in top condition. Visit joenorrismotors.ie or call us today for more information.